Namaste, Bhagini. Can you hear me?
Namaste, Bhagini. Namaste.
Okay.
Namaste.
Swagatam. Namaste, Bhagini. Is Priya Bhagini.
Namaste, madam. I wanted to say Namaste Guru Mata today.
Not getting a
Ajay, you are not able to hear me?
Guru Mata. So you can tell me Padma Ji. Padma. No. So big words.
You are a Guru.
Padma is fine for me.
No, no.
I'm happy if you call me Padma. Not.
One second, I just now the attendance. What should I say? How are you, madam?
Yeah, I'm good, Priya Bhagini. How are you? Thank you.
Yeah, I am okay. I still have cough, but okay.
Yeah, I got
Long time it is not going at all.
yeah, correct. Sometimes it happens. Yeah.
Generally, I ignore. This time I am just pampering and taking all medicine, gargling, hot water taking. So it is comfortably sitting, I think.
Oh, okay.
I think, good evening, Geeta. Geeta ji, namaste.
Namaste, namaste, namaste.
Namaste, madam. Madhuri here.
Namaste, Madhavi Bhagini. Swagatam.
Namaste.
Shall we start the class?
Yes, madam.
We'll see. Okay. Where the prayer went?
Kalika playlist is went on top, madam. Kalika.
Is this the class? So it the prayer. Okay, yeah, got it. सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः. इदानीम् अहं प्रेयर् प्रार्थनां वदामि. वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्. ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै. ओम शांति शांति शांति. ओके. 7:25. Whenever I touched it, it went too far. So in the last class, we were seeing this kaha. I mean related to pullinga shabda. एषः कः for पुल्लिङ्ग शब्दः कः. एषा सा for का. एतत् तत् नपुंसकलिङ्ग शब्दः for किम्. Okay, this one I think we stopped here. I think this page 55. So the 10th one is tat kim tat vyajanam. So seeing this exercise we will practice now. 18. Jayena pashyantu. So it is close by.
I think this also we did, I
Etat
think.
eshaha esha. Sorry.
This also we did, I
Did you
think.
say
No?
anything, Madhavi Bahini? So we have done. Oh, okay. 55. Okay. This one then. Write questions and answers according to the signs and numbers given earlier. So with reference to this, we have to see. So the yeshah kah, yeshah ballukah. The second one is question is sa ka. So sa means you have to use this one a little bit far away. So it is ka. So we have to use dvichakrika. Sa dvichakrika. So that is how we have to practice. So we have to write by ourselves. Okay. Then it will be easy. Okay. So etat eshah esha. So for etat you have to use kim, eshah kah, esha ka. Similarly for okay, this saha. For tat, a little bit far away means tat. Question will be in the form kim, saha, kaha, sa, ka. So like that we have to use it. So this we will practice the first one. I think I feel this one also similar to this you have practiced. Yeah. So this one, no, we have to do it by ourselves. Okay, we will just go through quickly. I think Geeta Bhagini is a little bit not well, she said. Priya Bhagini, could you please try the first line?
Hmm.
So all these are closer to the person. So we have to use Yeshaga, Yesha, Etat format. So please try.
Yeshah Ballukah.
Ask
Okay.
me the question.
Your speech is not clear.
Not 1 second. Why? No, my this mute only, not unmuted. It's okay. Voice is
Now
not
it is
coming.
better. Now it is better, Bhagini. Now it is better. Yeah, please try.
Okay. Yeshah Ballukah. Right? No, sound is coming.
Question
Why?
is how? Okay. I
Yeshah
think from some
Kaha.
Yeshaha Kaha is
Yeshah Kaha. Yeshah Ballukah.
okay. The second one Mala.
Yesha
Yeshaha Pallu
Kaha.
Uttama. Second.
Yesha Ka.
Yeah,
Yesha
please
Mala.
continue.
Yesha Mala.
Uttama.
Yeshah Kaha. Yesha Dhivaraha.
Yeshaha Devaraha Uttama.
What is Divaraha, madam?
Devaraha fisherman.
Fisherman. Acha.
Fisherman.
Okay.
Then
The fourth one.
Yesha Ka. No. Yes, Yesha Ka.
Uttama. Correct.
Yesha Droni.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes, correct. Yesha Droni. Correct.
What is
Etat Kim.
Droni is bucket.
bucket? Okay.
Etat Kim.
Droni and all we have seen, no? Bucket.
Okay.
Etat Kim. Etat Yutkam. Yutakam.
Utakam.
Yutakam. Then
Dot.
Etat Kim. Etat Dadimam.
Dadimam is a pomegranate fruit. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Bahini. Madhavi Bahini, please try the second line.
Esha Ka.
Devata.
Esha Devata.
Uttamam.
Esha Ka. Esha Ankani. Esha Kaha.
Uttamam.
Esha Vidushakaha.
Correct.
Esha Ka. Esha Darvi. Esha Ka. Esha Goshala. Esha Ka.
Uttama.
Esha Adhyapika.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Bahini. Uttamam. So we, this time I wanted to hide this one also, so that we'll just forward by ourselves. No? Okay, I think only 3 of you are there, I think, no?
Showing
I'm
five.
there.
No one else has joined.
I'm there, madam. Sundar is here.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, Sundar Mahodaya is there. Then, yeah, okay. Could you please try, Mahodaya? 1 minute. I will. Just a minute. I will see. Yeah. So she's addressing from a little bit far away distance. So we have to use
Sa.
Tat, Saha, Sa. Yeah. Please form the question and answer by yourself.
Sure.
The first line.
Yeah. Sa ka sa dvichakrika. Saha
Correct.
saha kaha
Uttama.
saha harinaha. Sa ka
Correct.
sa karkati. Saha kaha saha
Uttama.
dhruvaha. Sa ka
Uttama.
sa punapurna purani. Punapurani.
Purani, yes.
Sa saha kaha
Correct.
saha vanaraha.
Uttamam.
That-
Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya.
Tat kim? Acha, okay.
So you have to form like this.
Sure.
Okay. I mean, Priya Bhagini, could you please try the next 6?
Tat kim? Tat Krishna falakam.
Tat
Krishna falakam.
Palakam. Correct. Yes.
Then Sha Sammarjani. Saha ka
Sammadini. Uttamam.
then Saha ka
Third one.
Saha ka
Saha kaha.
Saha kaha Saha Amra
Saha
Vrikshaha
kaha.
kaha
Vrikshaha. Correct.
Saha Amra Vrikshaha Tat Kim Saha sorry
Correct.
Tat Sopanam
Tat kim.
Saha
Because
kim.
some disturbance.
Sopanam
Tat.
Tat Sopanam Saha
Correct.
Saha Adhyapakah Tat Kim Tat Vatayanam
Vatayana. Window.
Vatayanam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Tat kim. Tat Vatayana. Correct. So we have to form like that. So this we have done. So far we have seen only singular. Everything was in, I mean, singular form only. No? So actually for plural, how we have to use that we are coming now, the next stage. Okay. So in Sanskritam, there is one more special thing is there. For two, if for two objects we have to use a different form. So actually in Hindi and all, I don't think it is there. In Tamil also it is not there. In English also it is not there. Sanskritam it is the speciality. So for singular, so Eka Vachanam, actually it is, I mean in Sanskritam we'll say Eka Vachanam, Dvi Vachanam, Bahu Vachanam. If it is more than 2, it is Bahu Vachanam. More than 2 means from 3 onwards it is. So you can say more than 2. So Eka Vachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Ekavachanam is 1, single object. Dvivachanam, 2 objects. Bahuvachanam, more than 2 objects. So it has to be, so the format has to be used accordingly based on the number of objects. So you please see this 1.3.1. So how we have to use? Kaha, kau, ke.
I
Kaha,
can't see the
kaha, kau, ke. Sorry?
No, now I'm getting. I was not able to
What
see
did
the
you say,
screen.
Bhagini?
I was not able to see the screen.
Oh, okay.
It is coming.
So how will the question and answer be, ma'am, for the Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam? Kaha,
I didn't hear, Bhagini.
the question and answer for Dvivachanam. Now we have 2 elephants there. What will the question be? What will the
Yes.
answer?
Yes, I will come. I will
Yes.
tell you. So for one object means you have to use kaha. Kaha gajaha. Kaha gajaha. Saha gajaha. Or you can say yeshaha gajaha. So we have for singular gaja, masculine means you have to use kaha. Similarly, for dvivachanam, for masculine, that also you should see. Gajau, it is gajau. Kau gajau, like that we have to use. Kau gajau. Similarly, ke gajaha, we have to use for bahuvachanam. This Yeshava part they have not given. I don't know. Okay, we'll see. Read carefully and write in the blank spaces accordingly. So only the question is given, answer is not given. Kaha gajaha. So if it is one means kaha gajaha, kaha ashvaha. Oh, 1 minute.
How is the question being stated, madam? When you say kaha gajaha, are we saying how many elephants, or how is that single number being associated with that?
I think it will be
No,
Eshaha Kaha, Eshaha Gajaha.
Yeshaga, okay, that the second Yeshaga, actually we have not seen that
Correct.
Saha part, no, that Saha only we have seen that Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam we have not seen. That is why I'm just, so I don't think we can give the answer because we have not seen so far. This is the first time we
Ah.
are coming across, I mean Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. So
I think
now
first
we
we
will
should
just see
concentrate
because
on the
even if I say that also it will be, yeah, we should concentrate on Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam
Correct,
only
correct.
for the
And then
question
the
format
questions.
for the
Correct.
time being.
You're right.
Only the question format. So we will come to the answer part later. Okay, because it is, I think it is given at the back. Okay, so for the time being, the question should be actually kaha saha saha gajaha we should answer, but somehow it is given like that. Kaha. So for gajaha we should use kaha. So we will see like that only. For gajav we should use kau. For gajav is also pullinga shabda. So we have to use kau. So for bahuvachanam ke, kaha, kau, ke. So that we will understand. For masculine. So that is the portion we are now seeing. Kaha, kau, ke. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. So for bahuvachanam, this also we can see. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. That we will practice like that. It is, it is given like that only. So the question format, for the time being, we'll just forget only the formation of the Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. Ashvaha, ashvau, ashvaha. Ashvaha means more than 2 horses. Ashvaha, ashvau, ashvaha. Similarly, chatraha, chatrau, chatraha. Chatraha, chatrau, chatraha. Like that we have to form. Okay. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. You can, turn your this one like this also, no, so that you can see all the 3 at a time. Okay. I will keep it like this. Okay. Shall we practice now?
Sure.
Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. Ashvaha, ashvau, ashvaha. Hope I am clear. Is there any doubt in this? This kaha part will, for the time being, the question part we will just forget. We will only concentrate on the this vachanam part. Ekavachanam, dvivachanam,
Okay.
bahuvachanam.
Okay.
So for masculine, how it should be pronounced. So question part is also, it will be like that, but the formation we will just forget. Will come later. Kaha, kau, ke. Gajaha, gajau, gajaha. Ashvaha, ashvau, ashvaha. Chatraha, chatrau, chatraha. So, Priya Bhagini, could you please try read this?
Gajah, gajau, gajah. Ashwah, ashwau, ashwah.
Uttama.
Chatra,
Ashvaha,
ashwah, ashwah.
chatraha. Yes,
Chatrah,
correct.
chatrav, chatrah.
Chatraha,
Chatrah.
correct. So the fourth one, yes. Could you please attempt?
Is that
So adhyapakah.
अध्यापकः अध्यापिका sorry
Adhyapakau. It is okay. I will just I will try one or two. I will try. I will tell you. Then you can form it because adhyapakah, adhyapakau, adhyapakah. Yeah, please try.
अध्यापकः
Adhyapakah,
अध्यापकः अध्यापकौ अध्यापकः last one I didn't get.
pakah.
My Zoom has gone. 1 second. I'm
See,
out.
see how it should be. The 1.3.1. Please see Gajah. The last
Gajah.
letter is aha. Aha. So okay, the second one Gajau. So it should be the
Gajau.
last letter should be in au format. Okay, for
Okay.
Dvivachanam. Similarly, the last letter in the Pullinga Shabda, it should be aha. Aha, au, aha. So that should be the last letter. So we have to write carefully the last letter like that. Adhyapakah. Kaha is the last letter. So kaha, kau, kaha. Adhyapakah, adhyapakau. So kaha becomes kau for Dvivachanam. Then for the Bahuvachanam, it should be adhyapakah, kaha.
अध्यापकः
Aha, au, aha. So like that you should do. Could you please say again?
अध्यापकः अध्यापकौ
Correct.
अध्यापकाः.
Correct.
Thank you.
Very good. That's all. So this one Mayuraha. Same. So how it should be? Mayuraha. So the last letter is Raha. Ra. So Raha becomes Raha, Rau, Raha. So now please try Mayuraha.
मयूरः मयूरौ मयूरः.
Correct.
No. Last one is mayurah.
The last one
There is third more than
Mayuraha.
mayuraha. Okay,
Mayuraha.
mayuraha.
Very good. So Mayuraha, Mayuraha.
Mayurah.
So Mayuraha, Mayurau, Mayuraha.
Vrikshah.
Yes. Is there any doubt for anyone?
No.
Okay, this. Okay. So Vrikshaha. Vrikshaha. Aha. Ahau. Aha. Au. Aha. So Vrikshaha.
Vrikshau.
Priya Bhagini, could you please? Correct.
Vrikshah. Vrikshau. Vrikshah. Vrikshah. Sorry, last one. Vrikshah.
Vrikshaha. So if there are more than 2 trees, Vrikshaha. So Vrikshaha, Vriksho, Vrikshaha. Uttama Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Then Madhya Bhagini, could you please try 6th one, 6th, not 7th one, I think. Mayura, sorry, Vanaraha.
Vanaraha, Vanarau, Vanaraha. Surpaha, Surpau,
Vanar.
Surpaha,
Yes.
Surpau, Surpaha.
Correct.
Okay, this one.
This one.
Bakaha.
Bakaha. Yes. Okay, Dhanyavadaha. Yes, correct.
Bakaha,
Bakaha.
Bakaha.
Uttamam. This is Ballukaha.
Bakaha, Bhallukau, Bhallukaha.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Okay. So we will practice again this one itself. Sundar Bahodaya, could you please try
Sure.
from 3, 4?
Yeah. अध्यापकः, अध्यापकौ, अध्यापकाः.
अध्यापकाः उत्तमम् मयूरः
मयूरः, मयूरौ, मयूराः. वृक्षः,
उत्तमम्
वृक्षौ, वृक्षाः. वानरः, वानरौ, वानराः.
वानरः
वानरः, वानरौ, वानराः. Hello. I'm audible.
वानराः is correct उत्तमम्
Surpaha.
yes so your voice is also breaking little bit
Oh. Surpaha.
correct
Surpau. Surpaha. Bakaha. Bakaha.
bakah bako bakah how is my voice is it breaking
No, your voice is clear. Maybe the problem is with my
clear
voice.
okay
Bhallukaha.
because even Madhavi's voice is also like that no so I had a doubt whether mine is a problem
Bhalluka.
ballukah
Bhallukau. Bhallukaha.
उत्तमं धन्यवादः महोदय so pullinga shabdah we have to use like this vanarah vanarau vanaraah ahav aha au aha the last letter should be like that so vrikshah means vrikshah aha last letter is shah we already written no okay the mayurah I will say so that it will be easy raha means ir plus a aha is it so mayurah mayurau au mayurau so the ra becomes rau ir plus au so rau then last letter is ir plus a so mayuraha mayurah mayurau mayurau mayuraha so this is the format see the pictures and fill in the blanks accordingly so only ekavachanam and dvivachanam has been given gajah gajau the first one is gajaga second one is gajau only two elephants are there so gajah gajau shall we try this Priya Bhagini could you please try second one
Ashwaha,
ashwah
Ashwaha, Ashwav,
ashwa ashwa
Ashwav.
uttamam ballukah
Ballukah,
yes correct
Ballukau, Ballukah,
Correct.
Ballukau,
mayurah
Mayurah, Mayurau.
ballukau correct uttamam fourth
This
one
is,
mayurah
No, fourth is Mayurah, Mayurau.
mayura uttamam this is shukah
Shukah, Shukau.
shukah shukau
Shukau.
correct this is you can
The
say
next
kakah yeah shukah shukau we'll say crow kakah
It's okay. Kakah, Kakau.
kakau uttamam
Then you have to
this is
scroll.
simha I think simha
I am not able to
I
see
think
it, madam.
Vanarah.
No, okay.
vanarah okay we'll
Vanara.
take it as a okay we have not tried simha okay
It's Vanara.
vanarah vanarau okay then
Mushiha, Mushiha,
eighth one
Mushiha,
mushah mushahau
Mushaka, Mushakau. I mean, so many birds. Again, another bird.
mushakau mu sha ha is visargam so mushah mushau it is
Mushaka,
eighth one
Mushau,
is
Mushakah.
mushah mushau
Mushaha.
yes mushah aha here is visarga so mushah mushau
Mushau.
Madam, is it Mushakaha or
Okay.
Mushaha?
yeah mushakah no mushaka is okay mushakah mushakau is correct mushaka Yeah, Mushaka is not there. Mushakaha. Yeah, Mushakaha, Mushakau is correct. Thank you. The eighth one, could you please try again? Mushakaha,
Mushakau. Mushakaha.
Mushakaha, Mushakau. Yes.
Mhm. This is again another
Then
word.
another bird. We'll say Kakaha itself. Otherwise, a pigeon. Pigeon, I have to see. I forgot. Sorry,
Let me find
did you
out
say
what.
anything, Mahadev?
No. Let me find
yeah.
out what is this
Okay.
word.
Okay. For the time being, we will say Kakaha.
Kakaha, kakau, matsaha.
Kakaha.
No. What do you call that? This is a fish.
Meenaha.
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 Meenau. Meenau.
Yes. Meenav. Uttam.
Correct? Meenau.
Meenaha.
Meenau.
Meenav. Okay. Madhav Bhagini, could you please try from the beginning? This 1 to 10 we'll practice. Gajaha. Gajau.
Gajaha, Gajau,
Ashwaha.
Ashwaha, Ashwau, Bhallukaha, Bhallukau, Mayuraha, Mayurau,
Yes.
Sukaha, Sukau, Kakaha, Kakau, Vanaraha, Vanarau, Mushikaha, Mushikau, Kakaha, Kakau, Meenaha, Meenau.
Meenaha. Meena. Uttama. Okay. Sundar Bhagade, could you please try?
Yes.
Gajaha. Gajau.
Once. Gajaha, Gajau, Ashwaha.
Were you able to?
Ashwa.
Were you able to find out a pigeon?
I think that is Kapotaha. Kapotaha,
Kapotaha.
Kapotau.
Yes, Kapodaha. Yes, correct. Dhanyawad. Kapodaha. Yes. Okay, we'll try. Gajaha, Gajau.
Ashwaha, Ashwau, Bhallukaha, Bhallukau,
Then, yes.
Mayuraha, Mayurau,
Shukau. Okay. Kakaha.
no problem. Kakaha, Kakau, Vanaraha, Vanarau, Mushikaha, Mushikau, Kapotaha, Kapotau, Meenaha, Meenau.
Correct. Yes. Oh, Dhanyawad, Mahadev. Uttam. Only 10 is 10 are there. So, for the plural, Kaha, Ke. Mrugaha, Mrugaha. So, Mrugaha, Mrugaha. So, the second one is Bidalaha, Bidalaha. So, Bidalaha, Bidalaha. This is Bakaha, Bakaha. He is a Patra, Patra, what is that Patra?
Postman.
Postman, yeah, Patra, something is there, Patra.
Not Patrakaraha.
Okay, I'll see. The, sorry? Kachapaha, Sarpaha. This is also Kapodaha. He is the
Patra Vitaraka.
Patra
Vitaraka. Patra
Vitara. Vahakaha. Yes. Vahanam, no, Vahak. Yes. Patra Vahakaha. Correct. Uttamam. Dhanyawadaha. So Patra Vahakaha, Bakaha, this is Sauchika, Sauchikaha, Sauchikaha. I touched somewhere. A lot of vocabularies, no? Even some of the words, even I have not come across. That is, In our book and all, they're not, we have not studied so many vocabularies. It's really a somewhere I touched. Okay. Somewhere I touched it. So this is the only way we're trying. Now Gajaha we finished. Okay, this one. So singular and plural. Mrigaga, mrigaha. Okay, could you please try? Sundar Mahoday, could you please try? Mrigaha.
Mrugaha, Mrugaha.
Okay, second one.
What is this animal?
Bidalaha.
Bidalaha, Bidalaha, Bakaha, Bakaha.
Bidalaha. So it is more than two.
Correct. Bidalaha,
Bakaha.
Bakaha, Bakaha.
Uttama. Patra vahakaha.
Patravahakaha, Patravahakaha. Kaha,
Uttama. Patra vahakaha. Uttama.
Patravahakaha.
Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha, Sauchikaha.
Tailor. This one I heard, I forgot.
Sauchikaha,
See.
Sauchikaha.
This is Gataha.
Gataha,
Kaha. Sixth
Gata.
one, anybody can tell? Okay, sixth one.
Looks like a hunter.
Mrugayu.
Hunter, yes, sir. We will see.
Vyadha. Vyadha.
No, I didn't. Sorry, I didn't hear.
Vyadaha.
Kyadaha.
Vyadaha.
Vyada. Vyadaha.
Vyadaha.
Vyadaha. Okay, dhanyavad. Okay, Vyadaha. Dhanyavad. Vyadaha.
Vyadaha.
So, sixth one, could you please try? Vyadaha. Correct. Gataha.
Gataha, Gataha.
Gataha. Gataha. Correct. Then Kachapaha.
Kachapaha, Kachapaha. Kachapaha.
Kachapaha. Uttam.
Sarpaha, Sarpaha. Sarpaha.
Sarpaha. Yes, correct. Kapodaha.
Kapotaha, Kapotaha.
Kapodaha. Correct. Dhanyavadah, Mahodaya. Priya Bhagini, could you please try?
1 second.
Priya, sorry. Mrigaha.
Mrigaha, Mrigaha, Mrigaha.
Mrigaha. Yes, second one.
Vidalaha,
Vidala.
Vidalaha, Vidalaha, Vidalaha.
Uttamma.
Then
Correct.
this is what do you got?
Bakaha.
Huh?
Bakaha.
Bakaha, Bakaha,
Bakaha.
Bakaha,
Uttamma.
Bakaha,
Patra
Bakaha,
vahakaha.
Patravahakaha. Sorry, then Patravahakaha. Sorry, no, Patravah. Sorry,
One
again,
minute. Yeah, I will tell you. No, I will tell you. Vahakaha. Vahakaha means Patra Vahakaha. Vahanam we have seen. No, Vahanam is a vehicle. So Vahakaha. So generally masculine ends with Visarga, isn't it? So Patra Vahakaha. So singular is Patra Vahakaha.
Patravahakaha.
Plural is Patra
Kaha.
Vaha. Uttama, that's all. Patra Vahakaha. That is postman, plural. Yes. Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha. Sauchikaha. Yes, Sauchikaha.
Sauchikaha. Uttam. Sixth one, Vyad.
Vyadaha.
Vyada.
Vyada, Vyadaka, Vyadakaha.
Vya-
Is that right?
Could you please, I didn't hear, Bhagini. Sixth one,
Vyadakaha,
could you please tell me again? There is
Vyadakaha.
no kaha, vyadaha.
Okay, Vyadaha,
I think it is only vyadaha, I think.
Yes, madam. Only Vyadaha.
okay,
Yes.
Vyadaha,
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 vyadaha. So that is
Vyadaha.
the last word. Vyadaha, daha is the last word. So daha becomes aha, daha. So vyadaha,
Daha,
vyadaha.
Vyadaha,
Okay. Gataha,
Gataha. Once again, my
correct.
picture is Gataha,
Gata,
Gataha, Gataha.
uttama.
Okay. Then this is
Correct. Correct.
Kachapaha,
Kachapaha,
Kachapaha, Kachapaha,
kachapaha,
Kachapaha. Okay, that Paha.
kacha. Yes, correct. Kachapaha, uttama.
Kachapaha,
Kachapaha. So the paha only becomes paha. So
Paha,
kachapaha.
Kachapaha,
Yes.
Sarpaha,
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 uttama.
right? Sarpaha.
Yes, correct. This is
Then
kapodaha,
Kapotaha, Kapotaha, Kapotaha,
kapodaha, kapodaha,
Kapotaha,
aha.
Kapotaha.
So you can do one thing, no? At least five, any masculine words. Please write any 5 under the dual. I mean, dvivachanam and bahuvachanam, and please post it in the WhatsApp. So then only, I mean, if you write only, we'll remember more. Yeah, I request all of you to post any 5, whatever you feel is comfortable, any masculine letters, like that vrikshaha, vriksho, vrikshaha, vanaraha, vanaro, vanaraha, sarpaha, sarpo, sarpaha, ramaha, ramo, ramaha, any 5. Gataha, gato, gataha, gajaha, gajo, gajaha. Like that. Kachapaha, kachapau, kachapaha. So 5, minimum 5, maximum
Mm.
Sure,
I leave it to you. Even if you write 6 or 10, it's okay. Just for practice.
Okay.
So now only it's coming. Yeshaha, yetau, yete. So we so far we have seen only yeshaha, isn't it? Yeshaha singular we have seen. So if he is close, and also if they are in if there are more than 2 objects and more than 2 objects, we have to say yeshaha, yetau, yete, kaha, kau, ke. So say in the Sanskritam, no, if you see mostly for masculine means any format, no, same aha, au, aha, same format only will come. So that we have to understand. If we understand, that means easily we can change it. Yeshaha, yetau, yete. Yeshaha, yetau, yete. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha balakaha. I'm just telling you, just example. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha balakaha. Yetau kau, yetau balakau. Yetau kau, yetau balakau. Yete ke, yete balakaha. So balakaha, balakau, balakaha. So accordingly, we have to form the question. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha balakaha. Yetau ko, yetau balakau. Yete ke, yete balakaha. So only the plural, this yete ke is coming, but answer for the what to say, gajaha, gajo, gajaha, aha, au, aha, only will come. Kaha, kau, ke. So the last only the question only becomes little bit. It is not a kaha, it is k. For feminine only it is kaha. We will see later. So for masculine it is kaha, kau, ke. Yeshaha, etau, ete. That we will remember. We have to remember that. Read carefully and fill the blanks according to the examples. Oh, balakaha is only given. I didn't see actually. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha balakaha. First one I'm reading. Yeshaha kaha, yeshaha balakaha. The second one. Etau kau, etau balakau. Etau kau, etau balakau. Plural. Bahuvachanam. Ete ke, ete balakaha. Ete balakaha. Second one. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha simhaha. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha simhaha. Etau kau. Etau simmau. So 2 lines are there. Etau kau. Etau simmau. Ete ke. More than 2. Ete simhaha. Ete simhaha. So we have to remember that. Yeshaha, etau, ete. Kaha, kau, ke. So this form we will remember. Then Madhav Bhagini, could you please try? From the beginning. Yeshaha kaha.
एषः कः एषः बालकः एतौ कौ एतौ बालकौ एते के एते बालकाः एषः कः एषः सिंहः एतौ कौ
Uttama.
एतौ सिंहौ एते के एते
Simhau. Uttama. Third one. Could you please
एषः
try?
कः
Yeah.
एषः मयूरः एतौ कौ एतौ
Mayura.
मयूरौ एते के
Uttama.
एते मयूराः
Uttama.
एषः कः एषः शुकः एतौ कौ एतौ शुकौ एते के एते
Uttama.
काः
Shukaha. Uttama.
एषः कः एषः बकः एतौ कौ एतौ बकौ एते के
Uttama.
एते बकाः
Uttama. So when the question is asked, ete means we have to use only ete. So like that, yeshaha means yeshaha only we have to use. For the answer, you cannot use saha. So it just so this is the format. Yeshaha, etau, ete, kaha, kau, ke. Okay, Sundar Mahodaya, could you please try 1 to 5? Yeshaha, kaha.
एषः कः एषः बालकः एतौ कौ एतौ बालकौ एते के एते बालकाः एषः कः एषः सिंहः एतौ कौ एतौ सिंहौ एते के एते सिंहाः एषः कः
उत्तम.
एषः मयूरः एतौ कौ एतौ मयूरौ एते के एते मयूराः एषः कः एषः शुकः एतौ कौ एतौ शुकौ एते के एते शुकाः
Uttama.
एषः कः एषः बकः एतौ कौ एतौ बकौ एते के एते बकाः
Uttama. So like that only we have to give the answer. Dhanyavada Mahodaya. So this one we can see this I think. Yeshaha etau. So yeshaha etau ete. Rikta sthanani purayantu. So the question is yeshaha kaha yeshaha balakaha etau kau etau बालकौ एते के एते बालकाः. So we have to use the second one is vanarah. Second one. So we have to use
एषः वानरः
एषः वानरः एतौ वानरौ एते वानराः. Okay. Okay. Priya Bhagini, could you please try?
एषः वृक्षः एषौ वृक्षौ.
First
Okay.
one I didn't hear.
Oh,
Could you please try from one itself, Bhagini, from one itself. 1 to 5, please. Try.
एषः this one
1 to
एषः
5, please
बालकः.
try. Yes, correct.
Okay, एषः बालकः एतौ बालकौ
Uttama.
एते बालकाः.
Correct.
Then एषः वानरः एतौ वानरौ एते
Uttama.
वानरौ वानरोः वानराः.
Vanara.
So that should be
Vanaraah.
वानराः
Yes,
वानराः
vanaraah. Correct. Uttama.
वानराः.
Third one.
एष
Correct.
वृक्षः एतौ वृक्षौ.
Correct.
Then
Uttama.
एते वृक्षाः
Correct.
वृक्षाः.
Ete vriksha. Very good. Fourth one. Correct.
एष सिंहः एतौ सिंहा सिंहो. Right? सिंहो
Sim. Correct. Uttama.
सिंह.
Correct.
Then एते सिंहा.
ఎవరమ్మా
Simhaah.
सिंहाः
Simhaah.
सिंहाः.
Uttama. Fifth one.
एष
Fifth one is Shashaka. Shashaka is because it is given in the third line. Shashaka is the plural. So what will be the?
एष
Yes,
Shashah.
Shashaka.
शशकः एतो
Fifth one, we have to.
शशकौ
Yes, correct.
एतो शशकौ
Correct.
एते शशाका शशका
Shashakaah.
शशकाः.
Kaah. Visarga. Correct.
शशकाः.
Dhanyawad, Bhagini. Uttam. So it is given in the fifth line, the last word is given Shashakaah, plural. So the singular is Ekavachanam is Shashakaha. So Yeshaha, Shashakaha, Yeto, Shashakau, Yete, Shashakaah, Yete, Shashakaah. Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyawad. So there is 5 more. Whether we have time. Madhavini, could you please try from 6 to 11? We'll just finish it.
एषः मयूरः एतौ मयूरौ
Uttama.
एते मयूराः
Uttama. Uttama.
एषः हंसः एतौ हंसौ
Hamsa.
एते हंसाः एषः
उत्तमम्।
शुकः एतौ शुकौ एते शुकाः एषः बकः
उत्तमम्।
एतौ बकौ एते बकाः एषः
Vakaah. Uttama.
एतौ कच्छपौ एते कच्छपाः
Correct.
एषः मृगः
Correct.
एतौ मृगौ एते मृगाः
Uttama. Dhanyawad, Bhagini. So like that only it will come. Bakaha, bakau, bakaah. Yeshaha, yeto, yete. Yeshaha, yeto, yete. Kaha, kau, ke. So that is the format. Yeshaha, yeto, yete. Kaha, kau, ke. Balakaha, balakau, balakaah. So these are the 9 formats we have seen in this class. So the next one we will see in the next class. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
The
This is
next
a
is,
good class. Today we
feminine.
understood.
Sorry?
No,
I
this
didn't
is a
hear,
good
Mahodaya.
class learned something completely different and expanding.
Different.
This is very nice.
New,
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, it will slowly we are expanding. Yeah, correct. Then it will be more interesting. Yeah, definitely. But only thing is, please write the say ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam, just 5 or 6 for your practice. That's all. Vrikshah, vriksho,
Yes, we'll do that.
vrikshaah, balakah, balako, balakaah. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
So no doubt, I think.
Yes, no doubt.
So I will agam shanti mantram vadami. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om shanti shanti shanti. Dhanyavadah. Punarmilamah.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadam.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
ధన్యవాదాలు.